Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best whipped cream dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a dessert enthusiast, a home chef, or a professional in the culinary world, these dispensers can elevate your creations. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Kaiser Chef Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. This product stands out with its superior craftsmanship and certifications, including ISO 9001, NSF, HACCP, and 2V compliance, which ensure both safety and reliability for home and commercial use. With a 500 milliliter capacity, this dispenser is versatile enough to whip up fresh toppings for desserts, coffee foams, or even lattes, adding a professional touch to your culinary creations. The inclusion of 5 stainless steel decorating nozzles provides flexibility and creativity for presentation. The design and build quality of this dispenser are impressive. Made from durable aluminum, it balances lightweight usability with robustness. The leak-free construction ensures that your whipped cream stays fresh in the fridge for days, making it ideal for batch preparation and storage. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to its easy disassembly design, and the included cleaning brush makes maintenance a breeze. While the Kaiser Chef dispenser is a solid choice for casual and professional chefs alike, it does have some limitations. The lack of included N2O chargers means you'll need to purchase those separately, adding to the overall cost. Additionally, while this dispenser performs well for basic uses, it doesn't stand out in terms of advanced features like premium finishes or integrated silicone grips that improve comfort. Overall, it's a reliable entry-level option for those who want dependable performance without breaking the bank. At rank number 4, we have the Fine Dine Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. This product is designed for versatility and ease of use, making it a great choice for home chefs looking to experiment with light whipped cream, mousses, or even fluffy scrambled eggs. The dispenser includes 3 plastic and 3 stainless steel nozzles, enabling a wide range of designs for desserts and beverages. Plus, the recipe guide adds an extra layer of value by inspiring culinary creativity. The build quality of the Fine Dine dispenser is solid, crafted from premium aluminum that is both lightweight and durable. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while its virtually shatterproof construction makes it suitable for everyday use. The dispenser is also fridge-safe, allowing you to store creations for later use. It's attractively packaged, making it a thoughtful gift option for food enthusiasts. The downside lies in the user experience. While it includes multiple decorating tips, the plastic components feel less durable compared to all-metal competitors. Furthermore, the cleaning process, while manageable, lacks the efficiency of dispensers with integrated cleaning accessories. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Fine Dine dispenser offers great value for home kitchens at an affordable price point and is ideal for beginners exploring whipped cream artistry. At rank number 3, the EuroKitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser is a standout option for those seeking professional-grade performance at home. This model is highly versatile, allowing you to create everything from keto-friendly whipped cream to rich chocolate mousses, nitro cold brew coffee, and even homemade butter. Its durable aluminum construction and reinforced threads ensure reliability for frequent use, while the black satin finish adds a touch of elegance. The EuroKitchen dispenser excels in user experience. It includes 3 decorating nozzles for creative toppings, a cleaning brush for easy maintenance, and a mesh storage bag to keep all accessories organized. The dispenser is compatible with any brand of 8-gram N2O chargers, though these are not included in the package. Its leak-free design ensures clean operation and preserves freshness in the fridge. However, this dispenser does have a few drawbacks. The plastic nozzles, while functional, may not be as durable as stainless steel alternatives. Additionally, the lack of included N2O chargers could be inconvenient for users who want an all-in-one package. Despite these minor shortcomings, The Kitchen Dispenser's lifetime warranty and premium-grade build make it an excellent choice for culinary enthusiasts who demand quality and versatility. At rank number 2, the ISI North America Creative Whip takes whipped cream dispensers to the next level with its premium materials and thoughtful design. This dispenser is highly versatile, capable of creating whipped cream, savory mousses, cocktail foams, and even vegan or non-dairy recipes. Its silicone-covered lever handle and charger holder enhance comfort and control, making it ideal for both casual home use and small-scale culinary projects. Build quality is where the ISI Creative Whip truly shines. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it is designed to withstand regular use without compromising performance. Dishwasher-safe components make cleanup quick and easy, and the refrigeration-ready design keeps your creations fresh for longer. The kit includes 2 dispensing tips, a cleaning brush, a silicone content band, and a recipe booklet, offering everything you need to get started. The main drawback is the smaller 1/2 pint capacity, which may be limiting for those who need larger batches. Additionally, at $45.65, it's priced at the higher end of the spectrum for dispensers of its size. Still, the ISI Creative Whip is perfect for those seeking a premium whipped cream dispenser with exceptional comfort and reliability. Taking the top spot at rank number 1, we have another Your Kitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. And for good reason. This model combines durability, versatility, and a stylish design to deliver an outstanding user experience. Perfect for both home kitchens and professional environments, it can handle everything from zero-carb keto whipped cream to nitro cold brew coffee, chocolate mousses, and even homemade butter. Its leak-free design ensures hassle-free operation and long-lasting freshness. The dispenser is crafted from heavy-duty aluminum with reinforced threads, ensuring durability for daily use. The black satin finish not only looks sleek, but also resists wear and tear over time. Included in the package are 3 decorating plastic tips, 2 charger holders, a replacement silicone gasket, a cleaning brush, and a mesh storage bag, making this a comprehensive kit for whipping enthusiasts. The lifetime warranty further adds to its value, making it a risk-free purchase. While it shares similarities with other Your Kitchen dispensers, this model's performance and user experience set it apart. It's easy to clean, compatible with all 8-gram N2O chargers, and supports a wide range of recipes. The only drawback is the absence of included N2O chargers, which means you'll need to buy them separately. Nonetheless, this dispenser offers exceptional quality and versatility, earning its place as the best whipped cream dispenser on the market. And for watching, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If this video helped you make an informed decision, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.